Remnants.
Welcome back, everybody. Some good rain, good thunderstorms. We've had good cloud cover, a little sunshine mixed in there as well. What a clear picture. Look at our visibility improving, the air quality improving with some of the storms coming through. How about that? 68 degrees. Pretty nice weather out there. The wind is calm right now. Great Falls. We've had a little light rain in the area. 67 degrees, and the air quality again continues to improve with the thunderstorms here. Storms can act like a filter, but also not seeing as much activity here on Montana's wildfires, but also the fires up into Washington and British Columbia over the last few days. We haven't had wind really in the last few days, so the fire behavior has really quieted down, emitting less smoke. Look at a tale of almost two different parts of the state here. Eastern Montana in the 70s and the 80s, almost 90 in Glasgow, and in the western part of the state, 60s and 70s right now with the cloud cover and the rain coming down. Wind, again, not really that much of an issue until you get near some of the thunderstorms. The wind will be picking up, and these numbers are absolutely beautiful. 100% maximum humidity, and look at that, we're at 86 right now in Lewistown, 73% relative humidity for the capital and Great Falls. Just the increase in the humidity slows down the fire a little bit, like a little molasses on a fire here. But around the capital, again, the radar had a little issue here. Decided it was going to take Friday afternoon off for a little bit, and had some big time thunderstorms come through the area, just missing the big fires that are up here, the Horsefly Fire. We got some rain on the Horsefly Fire, also a Nevada Creek Fire, and the Gleason Fire, kind of right near the Nevada Creek Fire, a little further south of there. Fire about 50 acres right now, but some rain. Yes, we are getting some lightning strikes with the storms around Great Falls. Again, a little of this light rain going through. Light rain is the best, light to moderate rain right now, nothing really too heavy. And the Snow Creek Fire, we've got a little light rain coming through there. Big time thunderstorms out in eastern Montana. So everybody's seeing some wet weather here, and we will continue to see a little wet weather. So overnight tonight or later this evening, we'll see the storms coming off of the Rocky Mountain front, moving out through the central part of the state, quieting down, I think, around the capital. But look at this, up on the High Line, the Canadian border, they could use some rain. It was a fairly dry July up for Havre, and we're in a little bit of a deficit here for the summer. For tomorrow, we start out okay. Look at this through the morning hours into the afternoon. Things are not that bad. We'll start out mostly cloudy. We'll have a little sun late morning into the afternoon, but then here comes the thunderstorms, and these storms will be stronger than the storms that are coming through today, meaning heavier rain, stronger wind, the potential for some hail, and of course, a lot of lightning with these storms. Look at them scooting all the way across the state. 6 o'clock Sunday morning, doesn't look so bad, but we could have some storms firing around the capital up through Great Falls through the morning hours as low pressure scoots its way right across the state here on Sunday. Lewistown, Havre, watch out in the afternoon. These storms could be severe, and everybody gets a decent amount of precipitation. Look at that, the green, where we're at least getting about 2/10 of an inch. So it's not inches, but we're getting some nice precipitation that will fall everywhere, especially on and near some of the wildfires. Tomorrow afternoon, thunderstorms here, a little cooler day as well, 60s and 70s. Sunday, low pressure works right across the state. It's a stormy day here on Sunday. Storms not just in the afternoon, we'll have some wet weather in the morning as well. Monday, of course, things dry out. It will be windy on Monday. West winds up to about 20, even 30 miles per hour, but the high temperatures remain cool. And then Tuesday, a couple of isolated thunderstorms will be developing. Here's the 7-day forecast for the capital. So we've got some wet weather, much needed wet weather. It does happen here on the weekend, tomorrow and for Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looking pretty good. And then another wet period moving in for Thursday and Friday. So I think we've got pretty good parity with what we need there. We need still some nice summer weather, right? We don't want to say goodbye to summer just yet. And we also need some of that moisture to take the edge off fire danger. We got it both there on the 7-day forecast. What else could you ask for?
Sports.
Oh,
Well,